In Louisiana, for every person who commits a felony, 50% or more commit another felony in this state. For those who complete our specialty court programs, the recidivism rate is between 8 and 12%. So it is a very successful program, which is why it's critical for us to effectively utilize those specialty courts. So we developed a protocol and a profile of a person that 99.9% of the time, we know what a defendant qualifies for the moment they enter the jail based upon their criminal history and the offense they committed, unless there's some unique fact unknown at the time. So we developed a process that within 2 weeks we can place this person by identifying them in a specialty court program in partnership with Judge Schwartz and the other specialty court coordinators.
We have 8 specialty courts in operation right now, Veterans Court being one of them. The goal of all of these specialty courts is basically the same. We're dealing with folks that are suffering from addiction problems, either drugs, alcohol, sometimes both. We are helping them to get the right treatment. Each one gets their own specific treatment plan, and we're helping them not only rebuild their families but also to re-enter society in a very productive way.
Yeah, I got a kid, his name was David Shook, and he got into a domestic violence situation. And at one point they did not want to put him in the program. But I looked at his DD-214, and he had been in the Air Force, and he was a dynamic aircraft mechanic. He worked on like 21 different aircraft. So he's a very special individual. So I had to go back to the powers that be and convince him to give this guy a chance. He got into the program, successfully completed the program, went back, got his bachelor's degree, and now he's an ordained minister. And he's a mentor in our program. So the program does work.